The Great Blizzard of 1888, also known as the Great White Hurricane, struck the Northeast from March 11th to 14th, 1888. This catastrophic event dumped up to 55 inches of snow in some areas. Winds reached 45 mph, creating snowdrifts as high as 50 feet, which trapped people in their homes and on trains. Major cities like New York and Boston were paralyzed, with transportation systems halted. An estimated 400 people lost their lives, and many more were injured. The blizzard highlighted the need for improved weather forecasting and communication systems. This storm remains a pivotal moment in meteorological history, shaping winter preparedness and response strategies for generations. It serves as a reminder of nature's power.